Some users have reported encountering the bothersome iOS 17 not installing error when trying to update their iPhones to the latest iOS 17. If you are also suffering from this iOS update problem, don't worry. This video will provide you with professional and reliable solutions to fix the problem. Part 1. Why is iOS 17 not installing? Insufficient storage space, slow internet connection, software glitches, server issues, background processes, low battery power. Part 2. How to fix enable to install or update iOS 17. Fix 1. Ensure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 17. Before installing iOS 17, you need to make sure your iPhone model is compatible with the update, because not all old iOS devices support installing the latest iOS version. Fix 2. Check if iPhone has enough storage. Before you start the iOS 17 update, you need to check if there is enough storage space available on your iPhone. Major iOS installations such as iOS 17 require large amounts of available storage space. Fix 3. Reset network settings. If a failed iOS 17 update is caused by network connection issues, then resetting network settings can sometimes solve the problem. Fix 4. Fix the error when downloading iOS 17 with the professional tool. If the above solution does not solve the problem, then it may be a software bug on your iPhone that prevents you from installing iOS 17. Then, a quick solution is to use professional iOS system recovery software. Fix 5. Force restart your iPhone. If you are unable to install iOS 17, force restarting your device may be helpful. This is because force restarting your device can resolve certain software glitches. Fix 6. Update iOS 17 via iTunes. If the solutions above didn't resolve the iOS 17 not installing error on your iPhone, you can update to iOS 17 using iTunes. All you need is installing iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer via Lightning cable. Fix 7. Delete and re-download update. If you find an error occurred installing iOS 17, you can try to resolve the issue by deleting and re-downloading the iOS 17 software files. Fix 8. Turn off low power mode. Low power mode is intended to conserve battery life by disabling certain functions on your iPhone. However, it can sometimes interfere with the installation of iOS 17. Fix 9. Contact Apple support. If all the solutions provided above do not resolve the iOS not installing issue, you can seek assistance from Apple support. Just visit the official Apple support website or contact Apple support directly for personalized assistance.